Hey, hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, welcome to yet another long form video. And after a Diwali break, so first of all, happy Diwali. And I was not able to post for like good 15 days, but I was very active on shorts, and my shorts were getting good likes and like good views. So without any further delay, let's get started into the video directly. Yeah. So the video says how to manage a college life along with co-curriculars, extracurriculars, academics, and content creation. So if you are going to start your YouTube channel or something on Instagram, trust me, it is going to be very tough. This video is going to be a khana khazana type thing for you. So you better watch it till the end. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel as we'll be having a lot of college content here. So also, if you don't follow me on Instagram and on LinkedIn, do follow me. These are my IDs. This is my LinkedIn. This is my Instagram. So the very first, I have this very, what do we say? What should we say? It a good habit or a bad habit of writing things down. So before making anything, before doing anything, I write things down, and this helps me a lot. And you'll get to know how. Sorry. So the very first thing is time management, and time management is the key. If you want to manage anything, if you want to manage your college life with co-curriculars, content creation, and extracurriculars, it is very important for you to manage your time. How to manage your time? First of all, use planners or calendars. So I have posted a shorts in which I got a balance baby balance ka hamper from Mitali this side, and she has a shop called Ekami shop. So I will be using that planner for 2025. But uske pehle I never used any planner. ये है 2024 की डायरी मेरी normal. I love diaries. I love diaries. I have around 20-30 diaries जिनमें मुझे मतलब किसी में कुछ लिखा होगा, किसी में कुछ लिखा होगा, बट देर मस्ट बी समथिंग रिटन ऑन एवरी डायरी. सो आई लव लाइक राइटिंग थिंग्स ऑन डायरी. आई लव कलेक्टिंग डायरीज. सो प्लानर एंड कैलेंडर वुड हेल्प यू अलॉट. लाइक if you want to manage your time, if you want to manage your time, do write whatever you are doing, whatever your tasks are in your, like, plan your month, plan your week, plan your college day priorly. This helps a lot. Like for example, if you are going to have 2 to 3 events in the upcoming week, plan that. If you are going to have your academics, like your test or something like that, your viva, your internals, externals, so plan accordingly. If second is time blocking, optimizing your day. Optimizing your day is very important. I'm really sorry for the background now noise. I'm trying really hard to record a good quality like sound with my buds, of course, and nothing. So yeah, we'll be having a mic really soon, but tab tak ke liye please ignore it. So time blocking and optimizing your day is very important. So like priorly decide what you have to do and what will be your priorities. This is related to our second point, which is setting clear priorities. So what I do is I make to-do list. I'll show you how I make this is how I make to-do list, and once that task is done, I just tick mark it. Called prioritizing. So write down what all things you have to do. Write down, like, prepare your to-do list. If you have 5 things to do, for example, set your priority. Which task should be completed at first? What is your P1, P2, P3? And accordingly complete your task. And trust me, this techniques works a lot. I have tried this, and it is like tried and tested thing. This helps you to complete your task on time, and you'll get good time to scroll, which is very bad thing, but I can't say anything because I too scroll. I too consume too much of content on daily basis because I need to make content, so I have to consume content before making it because ideas. So yeah. The third is creating a study routine that works. So third and fourth points are interrelated, like creating a study routine that works. Fourth is building a study place where you love to spend time. Like if you'll ever if I'll ever share my room tour, so this is the very first thing comes when I enter in my room. So this space, I love this space. I love sitting here. I love clicking pictures here. Then if we go there, in my study table, we have postcards there. Then my diaries are kept there. I have little cute stuff kept there. Some क्या बोलते हैं यार इन्हें? some painted canvases there, my calendar, my diary, my pouch, every cute little thing which I like are there. Also my turtle, my panda. I keep everything in this room because this makes me feel this makes me want to stay here. And if I'll be staying here, I would either be doing some content work or I'll be studying. So you have to create certain space where you love to be, so that it automatically forces you to study or to do something productive. And the third point was we interchange the points. So the next point is creating a study routine that works really well. So personally, I use only 2 to 3 theories. Like, I believe in theories and techniques a lot. If you'll see my Instagram feed any day, so I have two accounts. The one is private one and the another one is public. Both the feeds are totally different. In my main account, which is public, Janhvi ki life, you will see very funny content, relatable content, Bollywood coming all over. And if you'll come to my private account, there will be some cute family reels, like, which I could share to my mom, to my friends, that kind of reel, and some study tips, study routines, techniques, etc., etc. reels. So I have two very different feeds. Yeah, so two techniques I use is, I don't know the name of the technique, but this what I don't call it anything, I just use the technique. So what you have to do is you have to study for 25 minutes and then rest for 5 minutes. But I am that kind of person who studies for 25 minutes and take break for like 2.5 hours. So what I do is I study for 50 minutes and take 10 minutes break. So this technique helps you to revive your mind and get back to the studies with full concentration. And I don't want myself to get tired so easily. So 50 minutes of study and 10 minutes of break. The next technique I use is reward system. So you have to celebrate small accomplishments. You have to reward yourself. Like, if I did something, if I have completed my every task on the to-do list, for example, I had 7 tasks and I completed all of them, so I must eat a chocolate, eat a piece of chocolate, or do something, or watch reels for half an hour. So this is how I reward myself, and this technique helps a lot to be productive. So what happens is that reward is forcing you to do that certain task which your mind is not allowing you to do. So here, where the technique works. The next is keeping realistic goals. It is very, very important to keep realistic goals, because I myself, in the starting, if I'll show you, you will definitely laugh on my goals. But yeah, I know it is really good to dream very, very high, but realistic goals hit different. If you have written that I'll study for like 1 hour, and by chance you study for 1.5 hour, you will feel a lot more confident and happy than if, for example, you kept the target for 5 hours and you were able to study for 4 hours. There will be little bit of disappointment that I was not able to complete my target. So keep small targets, realistic goals, and then use that reward technique. The last is, everything will be fine at the end of the day. It's just you and your struggle and your hustle. So nobody is going to help you, trust me. If you took so much things on you, you will be the one handling it all. So you got this. Do not worry. I used to panic a bit that I have so much to do, but who was the one who took it all? I. So who is the one who is going to manage all? Me. And since the day I have realized it, that I can do everything, I can manage everything, I'll give time to each and everything, I am able to do that. So the very last point is, I may sound like Sandeep Maheshwari or something, but it is only you. No one from your family, your friends, your best friend, no one. No one is going to be there to do your stuff. At the very end of the day, you yourself will do your work. So queen or king, you can slay. Yeah. But make most out of your college life. I really feel very, very sad when I sit and think like 1.5 years of my college life is over. Like, we have NSEMs now in 10 to 15 days. And it is very, very sad that only 1.5 years is left. Like, half of my college life is left. UG college life is left. PG college life will be different, and I don't want to think about it right now. But you have to make most out of your college life. Be everywhere, because a piece of page can decide your future, but it cannot only decide your future. Everything matters. Use LinkedIn. Please, 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 please optimize your LinkedIn profile. Make a good LinkedIn profile. So I knew LinkedIn before anyone of my age knew it, and I am so dumb. I get to know things very early, but I start working them on them very late. So my elder brother, my cousin brother, told me that LinkedIn is a platform where you should be. It is going to be a great platform in like next 5 years. You should be active there. When I was in 12th class, and I was like, okay, okay, I'll do it. But as soon as I entered college, I made my LinkedIn, and today, if compared to my age group people of my college or the people I know, I am doing really well. So it is your time to take that chance. If you're in first year or even if you're in second year, optimize your LinkedIn, work really hard on any one of your skill. And I'm not working hard on any of my skill, but अभी exams की जो छुट्टी होगी उस पे I'll be working really really good on my skill. So this is your call to do it, to take it. I am there for you. If you want any kind of suggestion, do not forget to comment. I reply to every comment. Like, I don't reply to those hard comments because I know my friends and family are doing that. But if I see any comment which needs attention, I surely reply to that, because I'm not that big influencer or something which I'm very very busy. I am waiting for your comments. So you can comment and ask anything. Feel free to contact me on LinkedIn. It is Janhvi Bayasi. On Instagram, Janhvi Ki Life. On YouTube, Janhvi Ki Life. And I'm available on these 3 platforms only. Yeah. So I hope you all like the video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also do follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn. See you all in the next video. I hope you all liked it. Bye bye. Hey, hi everyone. Oh wait. Maybe this works. Or maybe not. Wait. Yeah, maybe this works. I'm looking quite presentable now. So I don't know the name of the technique. Winter vacation. But अभी exams का जब छुट्टी होगी. But अभी I know it is. Hey, hi everyone. Let's go. So without any more bakwas or bakbak, so let's get started with the video. So without any further bakwas, let's get started into the video. So okay, if you want to manage your time, a treasure hunt. Bye bye.